America's pastime is, was, and always will be shooting.
While out filming a video, I had a few misfires, and it gave me an idea on what to do for another video as a basics video, and that's a simple order of operations on dealing with a misfire. Here it is. And by the way, I do realize I'm flinching here. It's just one of those things that happens when you get misfires. It kind of jumps in your head. Okay, so I had a few misfires, and I'm going to show you real quick, just as a little tidbit with flintlocks, what to do if you have misfires. Instead of going straight to sharpening your flint, what you should probably do beforehand is clean the pan and pick it. Okay, so I just had a couple misfires, and that's the order of operations. The reason why you just don't want to go straight to chipping and sharpening your flint is because it is kind of unpredictable about how it's going to go. And once you start sharpening a flint, the life of that flint is definitely shortened. So I'm going to load it regular, and I'm going to attempt to fire it after, and I'll show you what I do. Okay, you can see there's some buildup here, and especially on the underside of the flint. So I wipe the underside of the flint, clean it, then do that. Clean the pan, clean the flint, then I'm gonna pick it. Feel the powder in there. Okay, now just a little bit of powder in there. Remember, your proper powder placement is not right up against the hole. Okay, let it flash over. It's a little tricky doing this, holding it and filming it. Number 6 lead shot, standard load. Nitro card, cushion wad, 1 1/4 ounce shot, overshot card. Now you see how just doing that little bit made it go. That was my first shot after cleaning it. Then you can nap it if you have to. But when you start having to do that, it could be the humidity in the air, or it could be the flint's getting pretty dull and you're going to have to sharpen it anyway. But each shot you get out of a flint is better because, you know, I've seen some people get like 30 shots out of a flint. I never managed to get that. I probably get about 20 shots out of a flint if I'm lucky before I have to sharpen it. Then I get like 10, I'll sharpen it again, then I'll get like 5, and then if I sharpen it from there on out, it's generally too thick to slice. But that's just me.